Let's go put these away, okay? You gonna help Mama? Help? Help? You gonna help Mama? All right. Let's go. You help me. Help. Okay.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shea Lawrence from the Lawrences, and I usually upload every single Sunday. I took kind of a long break. Things have been pretty crazy with the girls, and a lot has happened since my last video. But today's video is going to be a day in the life. I'm going to start out with getting our pulled pork into the crock pot first thing in the morning, and then I'm gonna head outside and get some yard work done. I had planned to stay outside and get a lot of yard work done today, but we ended up having some rain, so I did as much as I could. But main thing, we got dinner in the crock pot, and I will make some homemade buns after.
So really quick, before I put away our groceries, I'll share with you guys our meals for the week. So the only two that are in order is the pulled pork sandwiches. You saw me get that in the crock pot this morning. And then for leftovers, we like to make a barbecue pork pizza. Then we have chicken katsu, breakfast for dinner, chili, and meatloaf. Are you putting away the groceries? Okay, so we have to get these chicken put away because they are pretty defrosted. So we have these. I like these for a last minute throw together type of dinner where I can't cook. These I haven't tried yet, but I've seen people post them and they look really good, so I'm gonna try those. Blackberries. We're getting these pastries this time. I don't normally get these, but once in a while I do like to get them as a treat. Plenty of barbecue sauce because we've been making lots of pulled pork. Hi! Some turkey bacon. We needed more butter. I like the sweet cream one. Chips for snacks, and then we got some Laughing Cow cheese. Are you hungry? Let's go put these away, okay? You're gonna help Mama? Help? Help? You're gonna help Mama? All right, let's go. You help me. Help. Okay. Down? Down? Whoa! What's that? What you doing? High five. Kiss. Wow. Ooh, chip kisses. Ooh, what's she doing? She's going up? It looks like she's watching TV. I'm gonna go down the slide. Can I go down the slide? There's a chair in the way. Let's move the chair out of here. Here I come. Whee! There's a chair in the pool. How cool is that? Are you coming to play Barbies with us? Up? Up, up? Wow, she went down the slide.
My friends are here for the pool party.
You love your Barbie? She dived in?
Whoa!
Whoa! Down the slide? Hug. Oh, I love you. I love you. Mwah. Hug. Hug. Rose, hug. Come on, group hug with us. Group hug. Group hug. Group hug. Group hug. Group hug. Give sister a kiss. Where's sister? Group hug. Who's that? Bella? What's that? That's how you take a picture. We don't want to do that. Are we going to take a picture? Say cheese.
So here is where I had planned to come back out and get a little bit more of the yard work done, but when I came out, it was already drizzling, so I just went back in and started shredding the pork.
Okay. So pork is pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this to warm. I mean, you probably could just let it keep cooking, but up to warm, and then when the buns are ready and everyone's ready to eat, the food will be ready. Okay, this is much needed. I'm gonna start the buns for our pulled pork sandwiches. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, I've been trying to make a lot more things from scratch. Number one, because it saves money, and number two, I know what's in it. It's exactly what I put in it is what is in it. So the buns recipe that I'm following, I don't use instant yeast, and a lot of recipes that I find have instant yeast, so I kind of have to, modify it, and then I tend to forget what I did to modify it. Oh, you're getting heavy. So yeah, I have to remember what I did. But if you guys ever do want a recipe that you see me using, it's most likely on my Pinterest. I have everything saved under family favorite recipes, and that's where I go to plan our meal planning. So I do modify it, so try to follow along with my videos if you can. Say hi. 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 Okay, so let's get started on these buns. TJ's parents are coming in about an hour, so I'm trying to have dinner ready when they get here. I need to go control these kids at the same time. Y'all are crazy. Crazy. Ready, set, go. Okay, we need 1 cup of milk. How am I gonna do this while holding you? Okay, like this. Ooh, we did it. Half a cup of water. We need 1/4 cup of this butter. And then this is where it got tricky last time, because it says to heat it to 120 degrees. But we can't add the yeast when it's up to that, so we have to let it cool off after we heat it up to that. That pot's gonna be hot in a second, okay? Yeah, so don't touch. Ready? We're gonna put the butter in. Can you say butter? Butter. Butter. Ooh. We splashed milk. Okay, then we need a spoon. Spoon. And we need our thermometer. Yes. What you doing? Okay, so we're gonna melt the butter and warm it up until it is 120 degrees. Okay, I sat them down with a snack, so I might have 15 minutes to myself. I warmed this up a little bit too high. It's at 150, so let's let that cool off. I have to bring it back down to 100 to 110, and then I can add the yeast and the sugar. 1, 2, almost 2, but it's 1 3/4. Okay. So there's 1. Then we have to get the 1/4 cup. Ready? We're going to count to 3, okay?
She can have some of those veggie straws too.
1,
Okay, me and Valerie are gonna play your switchboard, guys.
2. Very good. This is number 2. 2. And what comes next? 3. How old are you? 2. Very good. High five. Good job. Okay. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar is another thing I kind of never measure. So we're just going to guesstimate. The recipe says to mix it, excuse me, with the flour, but it helps to activate the yeast. So I'm going to mix it into here and check our temperature. 137, so that still has a lot of cooling down to do. Okay, it's finally cooled off enough. So we are going to add the yeast and let that rise for a little bit. 1, 2, and 1/4. Also, if you guys are professional bakers and you know a better way to do this, please let me know in the comments, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I just learn as I go. I just know this worked last time, so I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so the yeast is active. We're gonna go ahead and add that to the flour, add the egg, and then follow the rest of the directions on the recipe. Alright, you guys, that was it for today's video. I kind of just dropped off after this. I got so caught up with cooking and taking care of the girls, and then of course TJ's parents came home, so this is where this video is going to end. Next week Sunday, I'm hoping to have a tea party for 2 party prep video, so let me know if you're excited for that. And I will see you guys next week Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.